Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change the camera button settings in your iPhone 16s. So as you guys can see here, this is my iPhone 16 in white color and I have set up my Snapchat in camera button, right? So in order to change the camera button settings, it's very easy. I'll show you the complete fix, the complete method. So in your iPhone 16, you got the iPhone camera buttons, right? And now you can open this, now you can use this button to open any of the applications. So in order to change the apps, jump to the iPhone settings and now find here camera. Here you go. And now you will see camera control. Hit on that and by default it will be on the camera, right, like this, because you press the button and it opens the iPhone's camera. Hi guys. And now you have to change the application, whatever you want to set. If you want to set the Instagram camera, you can choose that. If you want to set Snapchat, you can choose that. So if you want to set Snapchat, that's it, you're done. Just click that button and you'll be able to open the Snapchat camera, and that's it. I know many people like Snapchat cameras and they do click photos, videos in Snapchat only. They don't use default camera app, and this is the easiest way, this is the easiest shortcut how you can do that. But for those, if those don't have the camera button, they have a shortcut for their either action button they can assign, or they can use the assistive touch as the shortcut, or what they can do, or they can set the shortcut in their iPhone's lock screen as well. So here click on plus icon and here you can choose Snapchat, and that's it. This will also work. Hit on done and you will be able to see that if someone not having iPhone 16, but you can choose this toggle to open Snapchat always, anytime, every time, from directly from the lock screen. How is it so cool? This is the so easiest way. So that was the whole simple fix. Hope you guys find this trick helpful. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Thank you so much guys. Peace.